Welcome to Travel Again. As you know, we are at a critical juncture in our battle against the devastating effect of the pandemic, facing not only the travel industry, but the overall global economy that we all participate in and rely on. When I look out at all the collective industry recovery efforts to date, I see so much well-intentioned activity. But unfortunately, I think we would all agree we are not getting the result we need to not only survive, but to set up a faster road to a sustained recovery. We need common industry messaging, deeper collaboration on industry standards, and combined efforts on government-backed relief financing and future government policy. And to do that, we need to focus our full attention on rebuilding traveler confidence. It's time to put aside any differences and all pull together as one industry. We cannot work just by industry sector, by brand, or as buyers versus suppliers. We must align and coordinate our efforts. We will either all succeed together or all fail. Our short-term survival and the long-term recovery and health of our industry depends upon a unified stand. Sign up to join Travel Again today. We just need your support, a little bit of your time, and a continued passion for our industry that I know we all share. Thank you.